Ctrl A, all select. Ctrl B, bold. Ctrl C, copy. Ctrl D, duplicate. Ctrl plus E, arrangement center slide. Ctrl plus F, find. Ctrl plus G, group and go to. Ctrl plus H, replace. Ctrl plus I, italic. Ctrl plus J, justify. Ctrl plus K, hyperlink. Ctrl plus L, arrangement left slide. Ctrl plus M, new slide. Ctrl plus N, new page. Ctrl plus O, open. Ctrl plus P, print. Ctrl plus Q, quit. Ctrl plus R, arrangement right side. Ctrl S, save. Ctrl T, new tab. Ctrl U, underline. Ctrl V, paste. Ctrl W, close the tab. Ctrl X, cut. Ctrl Y, redo. Ctrl Z, undo.